What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you 5 different websites to make $300 or more per day online in 2018. Now I'm going to go through some of these websites pretty quick simply because I don't just want to tell you what the websites are. You know, a lot of people do that and they tell you go to these websites, you can start making money. That's complete crap. You can't just make money going to a website. There has to be a process behind it. So I'm going to go through the 5 different websites pretty quickly because I want to explain the process and how you actually make money. So let's get to that. First website right here, you can see it. It's called Jvzoo. The nice thing about this is you can promote a lot of different products. Okay, and you can come here and you can see everything, and it is an awesome site. Now let's go. We click on Marketplace. Okay. And you can see right here, there's a bunch of different things, all right? Now, what you do with Jvzoo is you are an affiliate marketer. You promote these different products. And when you promote them, people buy them and you make a small commission. Pretty simple, right? Yeah, it's the same process, the same mentality behind ClickBank, which is number 2. Let's say someone wants to buy something in the home and garden niche, okay? Let's just go to Affiliate Marketplace. Let's click on green products, and let's say the new battery conditioning course. Okay, somebody buys it for whatever price, and the average sale is $48.76. That's pretty good. Okay, if you can make that kind of money on one sale, that's pretty good. You just need to expand it, make some more sales, and you'll make more money. Very simple. Again, this is affiliate marketing. This one is called Max Bounty. If you want to join Max Bounty, go to maxbounty.com, join it. I might have a link down in the description box below if I remember to put it there. If not, no big deal. Just go to maxbounty.com. They're going to require you to do a phone interview. Little phone session, takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Pretty quick, and then you can get approved. The nice thing about this is it's a CPA network. So that's cost per action. So what this means is, let's say somebody comes in and they decide to they want to promote their, so for example, Kylie Cosmetics, she had like the lip kits and makeup and all this stuff. I was promoting that. I was getting paid like $2.60 or 80 cents per email sign up. All somebody has to do is put in their email address, confirm it, and you get $2.60. That's what cost per action is, and that works really well. That's another way you can get to that $300 or more per day online. Next thing is called Warrior Plus. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time here. Okay, you can come read it if you want to, because I want to show you this right here. It's called muncheye.com. Here's what I want to show you. Now, if you come here, you're going to see there's this thing that's all the launches, or this thing that's the big launches. Now, what I'd recommend is you come over here and click on these that are the big launches. Now, you can see Jvzoo. Okay, you can see Pay Kickstart, there's ClickBank, Jvzoo, Warrior Plus, and so on and so forth. And it even tells you when these courses, these programs are going to be launched. So I'm shooting this video on June 29th, 2018. So this one right here, HQ webinar, is going to be launched tomorrow, which is June 30th. Or June 3rd, this one, Click Animate, is going to be launched, and you get the picture, okay? What you do with this one, it's called launch jacking. And what this means, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. But what launch jacking really entails is you go and you create some type of offer, some type of email sequence, some type of YouTube video, some content, and you get people interested in that product or that software or that service or whatever it is they are launching. So you get people interested and you get them excited and they're ready, they're hot to buy. Then as soon as it launches, you put out the link. You send them an email, you send them a message on Facebook, you send them whatever it is. You put up a new video on YouTube, and you like, here it is, and these are my bonuses, go and buy it. Okay, and that's one way you can use launch jacking to really ramp up your income and make $300 a day. Because if you see here, there's a lot of different launches going on. Okay, almost every single day something new is going to launch. So you got a lot of time to make money, right? Now, this is very simple, but how do you go about doing this, right? I'm going to show you that in just a second. Before that, I want to show you the kind of number 6, the 6th website where you can make money. It's actually called Legendary Marketer. Now, here's what I want to show you. Legendary Marketer, most people think of, and this is a kind of network marketing type business, okay? But what most people think about when it comes to network marketing or Legendary Marketer in particular is, why should I pay for something? Because I pay for it and I never get the training. I never get the information on how to sell something. First off, I'm going to show you that in just a second, how you go about doing it. Second thing is, when you join Legendary Marketer and specifically join the $30 a month, okay, membership, you get access to all the training, all the courses, and all the live classes that are associated with this. So they teach you how to get traffic, how to get signups and sales from Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and from a blog and all these different trainings. You get them all just by signing up for $30 a month. Now, this also gives you access to the back end, the business part where you can promote this as well. You can promote Legendary Marketer, not just the club. You can promote the master class. You can promote, all these ones, okay? And you can make money off all these different things that people buy. But I'm not telling you go and buy this thing for $2,500. I'm telling you get in on the ground floor for $30 a month and learn the business, okay? Because if somebody signs up, okay, you get, I think it's $18. You get like 60% of the sale. You get that every single month. It's recurring. So if you have a customer that signs up and they're good, good, and they stick with it for 12 months, you would make, or let's say 10 months, it's easier for math, you'd make $180 that year from one customer. It's $18 recurring every single month. Okay, now how do you go and promote this? And how do you go and promote these? There's a software called Builderall. Builderall costs $29 a month. It's $29.90 a month. Okay, 30 bucks. $30 a month for this. $30 a month for this. So for $60 a month, you can join Legendary Marketer. You can also join Builderall, and you can start promoting the actual business. The nice thing about Builderall, let me really explain this, because I think so many people struggle to understand exactly what it does. So if you were to join Legendary Marketer, let's just use Legendary Marketer as the example, okay? Let's say you join Legendary Marketer and they show you how to get traffic from Instagram and Facebook and YouTube, and that's great. However, you don't just want to put up a link on your Facebook page and be like, hey, click here, put your name and email address in, pay some money, and you'll be good. You'll start making money. No, what you want to do is you want to get them to sign up for an opt-in page, and that's exactly what Builderall does. Is they opt into some page like, let's say this one right here. Okay, we're going to view that one. So let's say they opt into this page, and when I say opt in, what I mean is they put their name and email address in. And when they do that, Builderall, which has a email autoresponder right here, it's called Mailing Boss Autoresponder. What that does is once they put in their email address and hit send now, and this is just a sample, obviously you could change it and make it look really unique or something different like one of these, okay? But when they put in their email address, what actually happens? So what happens is their email is sent to that email address, the one that you created, okay? And you tell them about Legendary Marketer, why you recommend it, what it can do for them, how it's going to teach them how to be a better content creator, or how to be a better marketer, how to promote to different people, how to create a YouTube video, all this different stuff, okay? And by doing that, by sending an email after email after email after email, if they continue to read those, okay, studies show that it takes somebody 7 times of seeing an offer before they actually take action, okay, before they buy. So you need to understand, just because you create one YouTube video, you put up one Instagram post, you put up one Facebook post, does not mean someone's going to buy. You need to get them to opt into that email list. You send them an email, okay, and it's all automated. You write the email one time. It's all automated. Sends an email, send the email, send the email for the next 7 to 10 days. And what ends up happening is, between day 4 and day 10, they're probably going to sign up. There's a 50% chance they're going to sign up simply because they keep seeing that. They keep seeing, okay, he is actually passionate about what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing. So because of that, I think I want to get in. And then because they opt into Legendary Marketer, you make some money. You make $18 per sale. Or if you don't want to promote Legendary Marketer, maybe you're not a member and you don't want to be, that's completely fine. You don't need to be. There's other ways to make money. Munch I was one of those ways. Okay, it's called launch jacking. So you create an opt-in page, just like I was showing you right here. You create, let's say you're going to promote something on fitness and weight loss. Okay, great. So let's say this is your page right here. So this is your page. They put in their name and email address because they want to get the best advice and content from professional bodybuilders that will help you increase muscle mass. All right, yes, I want that. I need it. I need to lose weight. I need to create muscle mass. How do I do it? They put their name, their email address, and click register now. So what ends up happening is then the mailing boss autoresponder sends them an email, and it's promoting, it's probably not going to be anything right here, but it's promoting something on ClickBank on how to lose weight, right? So let's say it's something that how to lose weight, and all right, cool. So after a few emails, people decide they really want it, they want to start losing weight, and you get some sales, you start making some money. All because you use Builderall, which again, $30 a month, $29.90 a month. If you can't afford this, $1 a day to have something that's create landing pages. It's going to host all these websites for you. Cool, you don't have to worry about that. It's going to provide the email autoresponder, which is normally $30 in itself if you use something like ConvertKit or the better email autoresponders, okay? So that's something you get as well. So just know you can make money online by doing a lot of different things, but these 5 websites that I showed you plus Legendary Marketer in conjunction with Builderall can really get you to that level. Alright, so like I said earlier in this video, I didn't want this video just to be about, hey, these are the 5 websites that you can make $300 a day online in 2018. No, I wanted to show you something. I wanted to show you actually how to do it. And the way you make money, the way I make money, the way other people make money, it's by actually putting up a website, getting emails, okay, responding to people, use an autoresponder, and automate the majority of your business. If you can do that successfully, and you can promote different products, health ones, stuff on business and finance and music and fitness and all this stuff, you can start making more money. Then $300 a day is nothing. $300 a day is stuff that you were making months ago. Now you're up to $500, $600, $700, $800, $1,000 a day. What would $30,000 a month do for you and your family? Okay, think about it. What would it do? Because you're not that far off. All you need to do is put these simple processes in place, and it will work. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something, open up your eyes to a new world of online business. If it did, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.